Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy. This is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here we talk about apps that involve money and investing, and we're going to be talking about a crypto investing app called Uphold. Specifically, how do you buy crypto using the app? So we're going to go ahead and start by opening the Uphold app up. Then you'll be taken to the home screen. Once you're at the home screen, you want to go ahead and click on the Markets button at the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can access the cryptocurrencies and stocks that are available on the app. If you wanted to, you can also type in which crypto or stock that you want to buy. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in Bitcoin and click on it. You'll be presented with the option to favor this stock or cryptocurrency if you so desire. Just hit the star icon in the top right hand corner, or hit it again if you don't want it to be a favorite. Right now I've unfavored it, I'm going to favorite it again. And boom, it's favored it. If you want to buy some of the cryptocurrency, scroll down to the bottom and click on Transact. Once you're here, you have a few options. The first one is called Transact. This is the one-time option if you just want to buy something right now, but you don't want anything fancy with it. The next option is called Repeat. I would explain it, but the app actually does a good job explaining it for you, so I'll just read. Just set the dates and we do the rest. You can now set up recurring buy orders on autopilot using your credit or debit card. The easy way to dollar cost average purchases reduce the effect of volatility in our proven investment strategy, which is true. It's one step to set up recurring transactions. Funds are pulled automatically from your card without the need for repeat deposits. Set up now. So this has the same dynamics as the Transact button. The only difference is you see these dates below. You will just set the dynamics of when do you want money pulled out, on what day of the week, and how often do you want to pull it out. And finally, we have limit at the top. Once again, the app will explain it for you, so I'll just read. Trade on your terms. Limit orders allow you to buy and sell assets at your desired target price. Sell at your target price. A sell limit order will be automatically executed at the price you choose or higher. Buy at your target price. A buy limit order will be automatically executed at the price you choose or lower. You decide how long. Choose how long you want to keep your limit order open and cancel at any time. Let's get started. So after that demonstration, you don't really need me to say anything further. I actually do like the way that Uphold educates a beginner investor on exactly what this terminology and investor terms are. But for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and go with the Transact. So we are going to pay, and you can choose your form of payment once you click on pay, from Google Pay to a linked debit card. You can even choose to pay using certain cryptocurrencies. I'm going to click on the debit card. We're going to choose to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. And then you click on the option to preview deposit. Uphold will then ask you to confirm the information on the screen. It will also show you how much it's going to cost to do this. So the deposit fee is 2.49%, which is 25 cents in this case. Click on confirm deposit. The check mark shows that the deposit has gone through. Let's get rid of that text message. And if all has gone through, you should see a change in your total balance. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when another video comes out. And if you have not signed up for Uphold yet and have an interest in doing so, you can sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.